Welcome again, viewers and subscribers. And as you can see, Rygin King get shot up today after an elephant funeral from Westmoreland. And I don't know how much that thing get neither. They say one male and one female when they travel with him, so probably the girl maybe her girlfriend, I don't know. But when she reached the hospital, she dead. And what they must say, I know the man who ended there with him reached the hospital, film condition unknown, so nobody don't know how much that him get neither or whatever. You understand? Why I tell the truth and it's sad news again. Come like every day I same thing we hear. I just hope him recover still because one of my best artists them I don't want him to drop out them way still. Anyway, until next time, peace. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.